All right, guys, so we worked on our jungle safari sensory box. Again, I love getting together some different ways to include your kid, especially in a sensory experience. So I have raved and raved about these polka dot books. They're awesome. This is a Wheels on the Bus theme one, so when you are singing this, super easy, goes in the tune of Wheels on the Bus. It's going to enforce some of the things already in there with that sensory experience, and they can feel, hear, touch. It's going to be awesome. I love that they put it on the camera because when you click it, it's like, cheese. So super fun. Say cheese. I'm just going to give you a quick glance at some of this book. I definitely recommend adding it to your shelf. It is in the comments section down below. I hope you love it. So really fun. Again, bumpity, bumpity, bumpity. Lots of noises, sounds to go with it. Super engaging. The kid will also like to play with this all by themselves because they will just do the polka dot thing. This one I really like. Wasn't one I purchased for myself, but I love it. It's from one of my teacher friends and my niece. So same thing. She does both. She's awesome. 100 animal books. So you can really use this with any of the sensory bins we put together. But what I love is it's already got farm and savannah or safari. It's pretty cool too for homes that have English and Spanish. And then the volume's adjustable for mom. I'm going to turn it way up here. But English and Spanish makes this nice star noise. Songs. And then you can also change it to search for an animal where like when they touch it, it tells them more. And music. So really engaging. I'm going to turn it off so you can hear me, but first I'll let you hear the Spanish stuff. Cool. So let's turn that. But so you can see a little bit more in here. All different types. So you can make a box for each one of these, honestly. But ocean and shore, which we've combined to one box, but you can add more things or sub out what's in there. Just switch it all out. Garden, home. Really, really fun. I love this book. And it's good quality. It's not just stickers. It is paper, but they work really great. So check this out. Make sure you comment down below with your boxes or books you have that you love to go along with this jungle safari theme. And I hope you guys enjoyed this. I can't wait to see you soon. Bye.